Hello all, welcome to my channel. Lockdown may be over or relaxed, but Corona isn't. We all know the importance of disinfection and sanitization, but somehow we miss to follow these as we are overburdened by our office work, household chores, that too without a domestic help. So now let's see which are these surfaces that definitely require a daily disinfection.
I'm returning home after a grocery shopping. This is the first area from where we are taking the viruses and bacteria inside the house. A good option can be to leave a single pair of footwear exclusively outside the house, which you can use regularly to step out. You may keep this in a stand or a small carton box separately. As soon as we enter the house, we look for the foyer area light switch and we keep the shopping bags aside and we follow the discipline of putting all the items which we used, such as the apartment access card, house keys, phone, wallet, purse, handbag, bells, ID cards, etc. in a plastic tray which is kept right above the shoe rack rather than putting it here and there around the house. After a quick sanitization of our hands, we head to the washroom immediately. Here, we do the following procedure. We start by discarding the used gloves in the dustbin and soak the mask using a disinfectant liquid. Here, I am using half mug of water and adding the disinfectant liquid and soaking my face mask. After soaking it for about half an hour, we will wash and sun dry them. Hand wash. Hand washing has always been an important defense against bacteria and viruses that can be transmitted to us through the things we touch. Now, during the current COVID-19 pandemic, it's even more critical to wash hands regularly. And we follow the 20 seconds hand wash procedure. And we wash the wash basin tap and the soap dispenser immediately after use. Now I wipe dry my hands and start disinfecting all the surfaces that I touched after entering the house. Now, before that, let's see what's the difference between cleaning and disinfecting. As per WHO, cleaning is a process of removing bacteria, viruses and dirt from a surface. Cleaning removes the virus from the surface but doesn't kill them. On the other hand, disinfecting is a process of directly killing the bacteria and viruses using chemicals but does not necessarily mean to remove the dirt or impurities from the surface. Disinfecting can be done using disinfectant sprays, disinfectant wipes or disinfectant liquids. Bathroom and bedroom door handles. I am using an alcohol-based disinfectant spray and giving a quick wipe with the tissue. After disinfecting my bathroom and bedroom door handles, I head to my foyer area. Shoe rack handles and footwear. It is important to disinfect the shoe rack handle, the key holders, the drawer handles, etc. If you don't have the option of leaving the footwear outside the house, then do use a disinfectant spray and then put them in the shoe rack. Main door handles. Main door handle or the calling bell is the first thing we touch after coming from outside. I am disinfecting the inside and the outside handles. Wallet, cards, mobile phone, keys, etc. Start by disinfecting the handbag. Remove the wallets or purse, cards, mobile phone, etc. which you used while shopping. I am using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer to disinfect them. Try to wipe the sanitizer immediately as our phone may capture the moisture from the sanitizer. Lastly, I am sanitizing my house key. Finally, disinfecting the plastic tray. Sanitizer bottle and the spray bottle. Switchboards. Since the time we entered the house, we touched many switchboards such as to switch on the lights of the foyer, living room, bedroom, bathroom, etc. Hence, it is important to disinfect them. Frequently used surfaces. It is very important to disinfect the other frequently used surfaces such as work desk, laptops, mouse, headphones, etc. Now I am disinfecting the bedside table. Next, TV and AC remotes. Kitchen countertop. Kettle handle. The cooktop, importantly, their knobs, fridge handle, microwave handle, chimney touch panel, the cooktop stands, kitchen sink, and lastly, the kitchen tap. Personal hygiene. As we are all well aware about the importance of personal hygiene, let us all continue to practice good hygiene at all times to prevent the virus spreading.
Trust me, this isn't difficult. Let us all keep disinfecting our homes to feel safe. Let us all fight this corona together. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.